Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to use Instagram auto scroll. So if you want to enable auto scrolling on the Instagram application while you're on the real page, you don't want to use your hand but you want the Instagram page to scroll automatically, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to enable auto scrolling for Instagram Reels on iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Once you open the settings app, scroll down the page, locate and click on accessibility. On the accessibility page, scroll down to physical and motor and then locate voice control. Once you click on that, go ahead and turn on voice control. Immediately, you see a blue voice added at the top left of the iPhone, just beside the time dynamic island. Now go ahead and open the Instagram. If you already opened the Instagram, close the Instagram application and then open it again. So open it again. Now go to Instagram Reels. On the Reels page, for you to enable auto scrolling on the Instagram, just say swipe up, swipe up, swipe up. So you just need to use the command swipe up to enable auto scrolling on your Instagram account once you enable voice control on your iPhone. So that is basically how to enable auto scrolling for Instagram Reels on iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.